Myself Paris. I am B final year student. I am currently studying in CA course in Femologic Technology in OMR. Today conduct the workshop in Femologic Technologies. Topic about the basics of FEA. We will discuss about the FEA, types of FEA, and the types of analysis. Reverse engineering discussed in the Femologic Technologies. Types of FEA. Analytical and numerical FEA methods used to analysis the component and elements. The FEA is the basic of the analysis process to analysis the properties of the material and discuss the Femologic technology in the IIT professors to take the classes in the Femologic technology to about the basics of the FEA. That person will exploring the FEA, basics of FEA in the workshop. There are a lot of things and information tell about the basics of FEA, how to analysis the single component or 3D component, 2D element, 3D element, and how to calculate the properties of the component. There are lot of things and information tell about the basics of FEA in the workshop. Types of analysis: fatigue analysis and thermal analysis, stress, strain, and there are many things about tell about the basics of FEA. That person sharing the our project experience in pump. There will be explain about our project in how to analysis the pump and how to calculate the pressure drop in the pump. We will be discuss about the that workshop and sharing the lot of things and information of the basics of FEA. It is useful to all the members in the Femologic technologies.